Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little ornament. So first you're going to need some wooden dowels or skewers. I took about 2.5 inches long dowels, or rather cut them in 4. So you need 4 of the same length. No, I take it back. You're going to need 8 of the same. 4 to make 1 square, and then I'll show you what to do with the other 4. So here is how they're going to look after you cut them. They're very easy to cut. You need a hot glue gun. You can use any other glue that you prefer, but I figured that hot glue is easier to manage because it dries quicker. So you're going to make a square with all 4 of these, like so. I try not to use too much because I didn't want it to look sloppy. So a little bit goes a long way. So you're going to make a square. This is how it should look. Now the other 4 sticks you're going to glue at each corner at an angle. You're going to bring them from the corner to the middle so it looks like a pointy, like a point of a diamond at the end. So you're going to start at each corner, dab a little hot glue on each corner, and you're going to glue a stick on each of these and bring it in the center so that all 4 sticks will meet at a point in the middle, like this. And then all you have to do is join all of these. You have to, well, I figured you have to put a little more glue than what I did because you have to be a little bit generous sometimes. This wasn't working out too well for me, so I had to fight this part. But you can always go back in and dab a little glue on all sides of the point to make sure that it's secured nicely. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, but this time the sticks are going to be a little bit smaller. So instead of 2.5 inches, you're going to use maybe about 2-inch long sticks. So dab a glue on each corner again and join your sticks like we did on the other side. You can use the same size sticks. I just figured it'd be too big and just too long. I wanted to give it this look. So one side I wanted to keep it small because on this side I wanted it to have a little hanging, like a little tassel, which I'll show you how to make that. That's fairly easy. So again, joint this corner or this joint by using a big blob of glue and just hold all the 4 sticks together. This part is a little tricky, but the hot glue dries fairly quickly, so it's not that painful. This is how it's going to look, like a little diamond. And then for the string part, or for the tassel part, you're going to use a string. You can use any pieces of thread too. I just had a string, so all I had to do was separate the strands. You can use a comb here too, but I had just the pencil lying around next to me, so I just used the pointy end of that to separate the strands. So then again, dab another little glue on the point one, like the smaller point of the diamond, and glue the tassel on it, like so. It's already looking cute. Oh my god. I wanted to trim a little at the bottom to make it look a little more straight. Now it's time to make the hanging part of it. So all I took about 6 or 7 inch long string and just tied it at the end. This gave me a little trouble too. It was hard to handle. But I made it. So like that, you're going to tie it, and then it already looks good. You can hang it just like that, but I wanted to color it, so I took a red marker and colored it. Alternatively, you could also use acrylic paint. You could use nail polish if you wanted to color it. You can use glitter, but I just wanted to give it a more of a matte look, so I just used plain red marker. Then I hung this cute little charm, candy charm on it. Now all you have to do is hang it on your tree and voila, how beautiful. Isn't this cute, guys? Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Bye bye.